How to improve your speaking. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. My name is Kai, and I am here to help you with your English. Do you want to speak English fluently? Do you want to feel confident when you talk to people? If your answer is yes, then you are in the right place. Today, I will share the best tips to become fluent in English. These tips are simple, fun, and very effective. So let's get started. Tip 1, listen to English every day. The first tip is to listen to English every day. Listening is very important. When you listen, you learn how words sound. You also learn new words and phrases. So how can you listen to English? You can listen to podcasts, music, or audiobooks. You can also watch movies and TV shows in English. Try to listen every day, even if it is only for 10 or 15 minutes. The more you listen, the better you will understand. For example, if you like music, listen to English songs. Try to understand the lyrics. If you like movies, watch them in English with subtitles. At first, it might be difficult, but don't worry. With time, it will become easier. Listening helps your brain get used to the sounds of English. This is the first step to fluency. Tip 2, speak without fear. Many people feel nervous when they speak English. They are afraid of making mistakes. But making mistakes is normal. It is part of learning. If you want to be fluent, you need to practice speaking. Do not worry about grammar, just speak. You can start by talking to yourself in English. For example, describe your day in English. Say, today I woke up at 7 a.m., I had breakfast, and then I went to work. You can also repeat sentences from movies or TV shows. This helps you practice pronunciation. Another great idea is to find a language partner. A language partner is someone who also wants to learn English. You can talk to them in English. If you don't have a partner, you can find a tutor online. The more you speak, the more confident you will feel. Tip 3, think in English. Do you translate words in your head? This makes speaking slow and difficult. Instead, try to think in English. When you see something, say the word in English in your mind. For example, when you see a tree, say tree in English, not in your native language. You can also practice thinking in English during your daily activities. For example, when you are cooking, think, I am cutting vegetables. I am boiling water. This helps your brain get faster. Soon, you will speak more naturally. Tip 4, learn phrases, not just words. Vocabulary is important, but learning phrases is even better. For example, instead of learning the word good, learn phrases like, that's a good idea, or good job. When you learn phrases, you know how to use words correctly. This makes speaking easier and faster. Here are some useful phrases to start with. How are you? Can you help me, please? I don't understand. What do you think? Try to learn a few phrases every day. Use them in your conversations. This will make your English sound more natural. Tip 5, read in English. Reading helps you learn new words and grammar naturally. You can start with easy books or short stories. Try to read something every day. Even 5 minutes is good. If you see a new word, try to guess its meaning. Then check the dictionary. For beginners, children's books are a great choice. They use simple words and sentences. You can also read news articles or blogs in easy English. Reading will help you think in English and improve your speaking skills. Tip 6, write every day. Writing is also important. When you write, you practice using grammar and vocabulary. You can write a short journal every day. Write about your day, your feelings, or your plans. For example, today I went to the park. The weather was nice. I felt happy. You can also write messages or comments in English on social media. For example, write a comment under a YouTube video or a post on Facebook. The more you write, the better you will become. Tip 7, have fun with English. Learning English should be fun. If you enjoy learning, you will improve faster. Play games in English, watch funny videos, or listen to your favorite songs. Try to do things you love in English. For example, if you like cooking, watch cooking videos in English. If you like sports, read about your favorite team in English. When you have fun, you don't feel like you are studying. This will help you stay motivated. Tip 8, be consistent. The most important tip is to be consistent. Learning a language takes time. You need to practice every day. Even if you only practice for 15 minutes, it is better than nothing. Keep going and do not give up. Make a plan for your English practice. For example, Monday, listen to a podcast. Tuesday, write a journal. Wednesday, read a short story. Thursday, speak with a friend. Friday, watch a movie in English. If you practice every day, you will see progress. One day, you will be fluent. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.